So you want to know how to make legit money online from home? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Allison Cram and I'm so glad you're here today. If you're new to this channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my new videos. Here on this channel, I'm helping you to attain a life that is filled with true abundance, fulfillment, and freedom. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, a life full of abundance, freedom, and fulfillment, then stick around. We're going to help you accomplish that. I want to share with you just really quickly a little bit about my story because it really ties into what we're talking about today. I had spent 20 years in education. I had been a teacher and a school counselor and a principal. And after those 20 years, I realized that I was working 60, 70 plus hours a week and I really didn't have a life. And that really wasn't what I wanted out of my life. I still had dreams. I still had things I wanted to accomplish. And so while I loved my career, I decided to take a break from it and to return back to Oregon to help my parents on our third generation cranberry farm. I decided that living the life of a farmer was going to give me a little more freedom of time and opportunity to go travel and do things that I really wanted to do. And I moved home and I did have a less hectic life, that's for sure. However, when I first moved back in 2009 to the farm, we were receiving about 72 cents a pound for our cranberries. And this year we'll get like 32 cents a pound. So what we saw happening was there was such a flood of cranberries into the market here in North America that there was such an oversupply that the price of berries just continued to drop and drop. And so it's made it really a challenge for our farm and other small farms like ours to really make do. And so I started in about 2016, I started looking for ways to make money online. How could I make money from home and still be able to have my own schedule and work the farm and do the things that I needed to do, but still augment my income by making money online? And so I started looking. And I found out that there is a myriad of opportunities out there. And in truth, I came to be completely overwhelmed. I started in about the beginning of 2017, I found out that there's all kinds of programs out there. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what was legitimate and what wasn't. I didn't understand what even all the options were. I didn't realize that there's affiliate marketing, there's Amazon shipping, there's e-commerce, there's coaching and mentoring that you can do. There's just all kinds of things. If you want to do blogging and you can share your training or whatever through blogging. So there's all kinds of things you could do online. And all these new terms that I had to learn: funnels, traffic, clicks, PPV, webinars, autoresponders, and it was just like a whole new world for me. And then on top of that, you have to determine which platform is going to be best to market on. Are you going to market through paid traffic? Are you going to do email marketing? Are you going to do YouTube marketing, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all these different opportunities, solo ads, all this different stuff that are options out there and that you have to decide. And for each option that you choose, you have to learn to master that. And just the list goes on. And then also I found out that you could start with as little as $1 into a trial and sometimes even $0 to try something out for a couple weeks or whatever, and all the way up to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 investment to buy into different programs. And I just was in complete overwhelm, and it resulted in a lot of frustration, a lot of wasted time, and a huge amount of wasted money until I found the key. In early 2018, in February of 2018, I found a mentor that is willing and able to teach a brand new online marketer such as myself. I also found, in conjunction with that, an educational and training program that's designed and created with brand new online marketers in mind. They take you step by step through the very beginning stages of how to market online, what's it all about, how to pick a niche, how to do all those kinds of things, and then step by step how to set up your business online. And so when I found those two things, the world turned around for me, and I finally felt like I was coming out of the fog and it was all starting to make sense. And now, as a result of all of this and the struggle that I went through, I've made it my mission to make sure that others do not have to go through what I went through. There's no need for people that are just getting started online to have to go through all the heartache and the frustration and the loss of money that I did. And so I want to share with you the 5 keys that I found are most fundamental to being able to build an online business. Key number 1 is come in with the right mindset. You're going to make money online if you're committed. But if you just decide I'm going to give it a try and we'll see it in 2 weeks, if I haven't made any money, then I'm out of here, then you're not going to make money. So you will make money online if you're committed. And you have to believe that going in, that it is possible. There are hundreds of people, if not thousands of people out there making a lot of money online in all different varieties of markets and niches and in different ways. And so it is possible. So, but you have to have the right mindset. You have to recognize that it is going to be hard work. It is going to take time. You will have to learn new skills. You will not get rich overnight. And you do have to invest some money to make money. There is not a program out there that you can invest $25 a month and end up getting $1,000 for every sale that you make. That's just not out there. And so you have to be realistic. It's not like there's a secret sauce when you jump online. It's just like the real world. If you're going to sell an item and make $5,000 profit off of it, you're going to end up spending quite a bit of money to invest in that product and to get that kind of a profit. And the same is true online. And so you just have to know that you're going to have to invest some money. And it's not going to happen overnight, and you have to be committed. So the number 1 key is you've got to come in with the right mindset, and you have to accept those things, and you have to be willing to commit to taking daily action. Number 2, you need to find a great mentor, because there are so many different options out there, and until you've been through it and until you understand it, you just you're just going to be wandering in the dark. And so finding a great mentor, and a great mentor is someone who has, first of all, accomplished what you want to accomplish, and they're able to verify that they've had success in doing what they've done. There's a lot of people online, sadly, that tell you that, oh, follow me, come join my program, come join my training, let me be your mentor, your coach, and I'll teach you how to make $1,000 a day. And they've never made $10 a day online. And so you have to find out for sure that the mentor that you're following is legit. And then also you want to make sure that it's someone who's willing to teach a beginner. It takes more work to teach a beginner, because at the beginning you really do have to hold their hand and explain a lot of stuff to them. What is an autoresponder? How do you hook up a funnel to your autoresponder? How do you hook up a funnel to a sales page? How do you hook up a funnel to your product page? Or how do you do all these things? What are you supposed to do? And it's technical, some of it, but if you have the right mentor, then they're able to alleviate any of the stress of those technical skills. But also, it takes somebody who has patience while you're going through that learning process. And so someone that is also willing to be transparent and completely open to you in exactly how they built their business. They're not going to be somebody who's going to teach you most of the things, but leave out the key points. It has to be somebody that's coaching you and mentoring that's going to be totally honest with you and totally transparent, so you can learn exactly how to do what they have done. So number 1, right mindset. Number 2, find a great mentor. Number 3, pick a neat niche that you're passionate about. Now, what does that mean? It means if you don't enjoy playing music, don't pick selling guitars online. If you don't enjoy helping people and coaching people, don't pick a business where you're supposed to bring people into the business and help them to be successful. If you don't enjoy river rafting, then don't pick a business that requires you to get out and get video footage of river rafting. Pick a business, pick a niche, pick a market that you are passionate about, something that you love, something that you um, something that you would do in your free time, something that you would enjoy getting out of bed every morning and spending time doing it. Because the truth is, you are going to spend a lot of time with your business. Those who tell you that you can make $30,000 a month online and only work 2 hours a week, that's not reality. I have not seen that. I'll say that. There may be some people that are doing that, but they spent a lot of time building up to that before they did. And it's just, that's not reality. In most cases, you are going to have to spend 2 or 3 or 4 hours a day doing what you need to do to build your online business. And so you do need to pick something that you're passionate about. You need to pick a niche that's going to allow you room to grow and to expand and to continue to have more offering. And so to do that. And number 4, it kind of goes along with pick a niche. It's brand yourself. Don't just get in with a program that says you're going to sell product XYZ or you're going to promote, just this program, and all your identity is around that program. Become your own brand and be yourself. And when you're branding yourself, be honest, be sincere, because you have to live with yourself. And people, they don't buy from you because necessarily you have the right product. They do, but more than that, they buy from you and they will connect themselves with you and they will work with you because they want to be with people that they know, like, and trust. And so the more honest and sincere and transparent you can be, and the more real you can be, the more likely that people are going to follow you. And that's what's going to get you the success. You know, you get into a program and you see somebody else who gets into the same program the exact same time as you. I saw this happened to me several times. I got into a program and somebody else I knew got in at the exact same time. They went on and they were making money hand over fist right out the gate. And me, I worked and worked and worked. Well, the reason was because they had been building their online business for the last 4 to 5 years. And they already had a following. They had branded themselves. They had learned all the details. They knew how to do all the nuts and bolts, and they knew all the skills that were needed to go with it. So all they had to come in and do is just market that product or market that program. And so they were able to hit the ground running while I was still trying to figure out how to connect A to B to C. And so you have to recognize that it takes time to brand yourself and to have a following and to have people that are going to, regardless of what you're promoting, regardless of what products or programs or services you're offering, they're going to be willing to buy from you if it fits their needs because they know, like, and trust you. So number 4 is be sure you brand yourself and don't get so connected and tied up with one company that you have nowhere to go if something happens to that company. The 5th thing is commit for the long haul. I've seen so many people in the last 18 months come and go from online marketing. It's not easy. I've seen people get in and try for 4 or 5 months and then they give up. I've seen people who come in and they try for 2 weeks and then they give up. Or the saddest thing is people come in and they'll find a good mentor or a good coach and they'll find a great program, but they don't do anything. And so you have to make a commitment that you are going to take action every single day to help grow your business. You have to be willing to commit that you are going to keep going even when the going gets tough. And the going will get tough often. It's not easy, but the rewards are so awesome. I love it on an afternoon when it's a nice day and we can just grab the boat and go to the river and just spend the afternoon and the evening on the river, because I don't have to wait until 5 o'clock when I can leave home. And I love it that I can work sometimes in the evening and have most of the day free. And so the flexibility of schedule and time to spend with family and friends and to go camping and go to the beach and do the things I love, the rewards are there, but you still have to make a commitment because it's not going to happen overnight. And so be willing to make that commitment to take consistent daily action every single day, and you will have success. There are hundreds of legitimate ways to make money online, but it's not easy. And although it really is quite simple once you learn, it's not some magic sauce that creates the success. It's a willingness to learn and to be coached and to listen to what your coaches are teaching you. and to be consistent over time. So I truly want you to find the success you're looking for. And I know that you can find it online. My hope and my reason for investing in my YouTube channel is to help others have an easier path to success than what I've struggled with. And my path has been much easier than others because I did find a good mentor and I did find a good program within, my coach, for example, the mentor that I work with right now, he was 5 years online before he had his first breakthrough, but now he's making good $20,000 to $30,000 or more a month, every month online. And so if I can help you along the way, please feel free to reach out to me. If I don't have the answer, then I know how to find the resources to get you the right answers. I just want to be able to help you to find the formula for success that will help you to not have to go through a lot of frustration, a lot of wasted time, and a lot of wasted income. And here's the thing, I had struggled for over a year when I found this mentor and this program. And once I found the right mentor, found the right training system, and understood the right mindset for how to succeed, within the first 2 weeks of going through this new training program, I had my first $500 day online. And so I know it's possible, and I know you can have that success too. So if you're serious about learning how to be successful and making legitimate money online, click the link in my bio. It will take you to a $1 trial to access my #1 recommended training system for exactly how you can learn step by step to build your business online. And the training is phenomenal. It's so easy to follow. It's not scary. Even if you're not very tech savvy, you watch him. He's a multi-millionaire and he's teaching you step by step how to build your business online. And so you just watch over his shoulder step by step. As he makes a click in the left-hand corner of the box, you make the click in the left-hand corner of the box. It's so easy and anybody can do it. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you got some value from this video. If so, please do be sure and give me a thumbs up and subscribe and click that bell icon so you get notified when I upload my next video. And if you found value in it, maybe you know somebody else who would also find value in the information that I've shared here. Please comment below what you'd like to accomplish through building your own online business. I'd love to hear what your dreams and goals are. And again, thank you for watching. This is Allison Cram saying so long. I'll see you in the next video. And please don't ever give up on your dreams. Never, ever give up on your dreams.